The Government of BC is moving ahead with the replacement of the George Massey Tunnel and infrastructure upgrades to make your travel faster and more reliable. Highway 99 is one of the most congested roads in the Lower Mainland. Driving through the George Massey Tunnel today can be slow and unreliable. The new toll-free 8-lane tunnel will reduce congestion, save drivers time, and provide space for cyclists and pedestrians for the first time. Along with the new tunnel, the Steveston interchange will be expanded from 2 lanes to 5 to improve traffic flow. In Delta, the Highway 99 tunnel program includes connecting bus-on-shoulder lanes between Ladner Trunk Road and Highway 17A to make your bus trips quicker and support bus rapid transit along the corridor. We're adding transit priority lanes to the Highway 17A interchange to keep buses moving and your transit service reliable, while a new pathway will provide a safe connection and crossing for cyclists. We heard from the region that an 8-lane tunnel is the right project for Highway 99. The new toll-free tunnel will keep you moving and get you to your destination faster. Transit trips through the new 8-lane tunnel will be smooth sailing with dedicated lanes in each direction. Whether you're on a local bus or bus rapid transit, your trip will be quick and reliable. For drivers, 3 continuous lanes in and out of the tunnel, no counterflow, and less merging means you'll travel faster at speeds around 80 kilometers per hour approaching the new tunnel, compared to 30 today. And for the first time, pedestrians and cyclists will be able to safely cross through a separated active transportation corridor. In Richmond, we're building a new 5-lane Steveston interchange. By replacing the 2-lane interchange, we're adding capacity to keep you moving. The new interchange will feature an in-lane bus stop so transit service can flow freely and get you to your destination on time. We're adding sidewalks and separated bike lanes on both sides to ensure everyone has a safe option to cross Highway 99. At Bridgeport Road, we're making it easier for buses to access Highway 99. A new transit-only connection will shorten your bus trips heading south. Cyclists and pedestrians will connect between the Oak Street Bridge and the city's existing cycling network using a brand-new multi-use path. The Highway 99 Tunnel Program. We're providing better travel options for everyone and delivering the right project for the region. For more information, please visit highway99tunnel.ca.